With the growing popularity of bug bounty hunting, more and more people are looking for ways to get started in this exciting and lucrative field. What is bug bounty hunting? Bug bounty hunting is the process of finding security vulnerabilities in software and reporting them to the organization that developed the software. Hackers who perform bug bounty hunting are known as bug bounty hunters. Bug bounty hunting is a great way to earn money from home. In fact, many bug bounty hunters can make a full-time income from bug bounty hunting. However, it is not easy to become a successful bug bounty hunter. There is a lot of competition, and you need to have the right skills and knowledge to be successful. In this video, we will share with you 7 tips on how to be a successful bug bounty hunter. By following these tips, you will be able to improve your chances of success in bug bounty hunting. Now let's start without further ado. The first is, find a niche. Before you even begin to think about setting up your bug bounty hunting profile, it's important to take some time to find what kind of niche you want to explore. Do you have a specific interest in mobile vulnerability assessment? Do you prefer web application vulnerability assessment? Do you want to learn more about cloud security? As a bug bounty hunter, you should focus on exploiting your strongest skills to maximize your chances of success. If you're good at web application security, focus on web applications. If you're good at reverse engineering, focus on mobile applications. Spend time honing each skill and refining your methodology to become better at each type of security testing. Having a clear picture of the kind of vulnerability assessment you like to specialize in will help you make the most of your experience in the bug bounty world. Once you've identified your niche, it's important to spend some time familiarizing yourself with its tools, techniques, and scope. For beginners, it's great to start with web application hacking because it's easy, and there is a bunch of websites to get money. Whatever you choose, it is up to you. Once you've decided on your focus, you can start developing your skills and expertise in that area. Reading books, watching videos on YouTube, or there are free bug bounty courses. The second is, read write-ups. One of the best ways to improve your bug bounty hunting skills is to read bug bounty write-ups. There are plenty of experienced bug bounty hunters who write summaries of the bugs they've found, the techniques they used, and the tools they used. Reading these write-ups can help you get familiar with the techniques and tools used by various bug bounty hunters and give you more ideas about where to look for vulnerabilities in an application. Browsing through write-ups also enables you to gain deeper insight into the type of bugs that have been rewarded in the past. This can help you tailor your bug hunting efforts to the types of bugs that have been accepted in the past and increase your chances of finding a qualified bug. Additionally, make sure to read blog posts and articles from the platforms that bug bounty hunters typically use, such as HackerOne, BugCrowd, and Odium, as these can provide helpful tips and tricks for improving your bug bounty hunting skills. The third is, find the right tool with your specific niche you want to explore. There are many different tools available to bug bounty hunters, and it can be difficult to know which one's the best is to use. As a bug bounty hunter, it is important to find the right tool for the specific niche you want to explore. There are a variety of tools available, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. The right tool for you will depend on your goals, experiences, and abilities. When choosing a tool, it is important to consider its features, performance, and price. Additionally, you should read reviews of the tool to see what other users think of it. And I have a video called Best 5 Tools for Bug Bounty in 2023. You can check it out if you want. Ultimately, the best way to figure out if a tool is right for you is to try it out yourself. The fourth is, start practicing. Now you know what niche you want to explore, and you learn, then you know how tool you use. The next step is to practice with what you know. The best way to learn how to become a bug bounty hunter is to start practicing on vulnerable machines. There are many ways to find these machines, but the best way is to look for them on the internet. There are many websites that offer these machines for free, and they are a great way to get started. I have a video called Bug Bounty Resources, Become Bug Bounty Hunter. You can check it out if you want. And don't wrong me, you can practice just by starting to hunt bug bounty, but it is best to start with vulnerable websites or machines. The fifth is, familiarize yourself with the platform. Before you begin a bug bounty hunt, it's important to familiarize yourself with the platform. If you are hunting on a platform like HackerOne or BugCrowd, spend some time going through the documentation and documentation tutorials to make sure you understand how the platform works. It's important to research each program and understand their scope, rules, and reward system. This can help you save time in the long run and help you submit qualified bugs that are eligible for reward. Additionally, make sure to read through any available case studies and reports on successful bug bounty hunters, as this can help you get a good idea of what it takes to be successful in the bug bounty field. Similarly, familiarizing yourself with the rules of each platform is essential. Every platform has different rules and guidelines governing the bug bounty program, so make sure you take some time to read those thoroughly and understand them before you begin hunting. Additionally, like I told you in the second tip, the platforms usually provide resources such as toolkits and write-ups that can be used to learn more about best practices and the types of bugs that are typically accepted. The sixth is prioritizing your targets. It is important to prioritize targets when participating in a bug bounty program. Look for the most valuable targets first and then move down the list. Spend time researching each target and identifying potential vulnerabilities. Make sure you focus on the target that is most likely to yield a bounty. Don't waste time on targets that are unlikely to yield any rewards. The last is join a community. A great way to become involved in the bug bounty hunting community is to join forums and other communities related to the field. There are plenty of communities out there with experienced bug bounty hunters who are more than willing to share their knowledge with novices, which can be incredibly helpful for those just starting out in the field. Participating in group discussions, attending local and global security conferences, and attending webinars are all great ways to stay up to date on the latest best practices, learn from experienced participants, and network with other bug bounty hunters. However, remember to become Bug Bounty Hunter. Just start today after this video. Thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, put a comment. I am happy to reply to you. Happy hunting. See you.